Hello everyone. We will continue with cricket. Awarding runs. In addition to the batsman's running, runs can be scored in several ways, like by, leg by, no ball, boundary, sixer, runs. So here the umpire signals also, you can go through it. Next we have types of batsmen out: clean bowled, catch out, leg before wicket, hit wicket, handling the ball, intentional disturbance, run out, stumped out, double hit, timed out. So 10 types batsmen can be out. Next we have a diagram of the pitch. What is important in this? The length of the pitch, where is the popping crease, bowling crease, return crease, all measurements you must know, and how to make this pitch you have to practice. Next we have full diagram of ground: inner circle, pitch, fielder, screen, boundary line. Then we have a picture of bat, the length and breadth of the bat, ball, the weight of the ball, circumference of the ball, and wickets, the height of the wickets and breadth part of the wickets. Next we have a picture of batsman's equipments. So batsman's wearing sports shoes, pad, bat, abdomen guard, thigh guard, t-shirt, helmet, batting gloves, all things weighed by the batsman. Wicket keeper equipments, wicket keeper pad, keeping gloves, helmet, sports shoes. Next we have a picture of positions of the player. Tips to remember: the entire information of the cricket you can learn from tips to remember. Terminologies: over, dead ball, no ball, white ball, by, leg by, appeal, bouncer, yorker, maiden over, duck, century, how's that, declaration, body line bowling. All the terminologies you have to go through in your book. What is important in this? Duties of the umpire, duties of the leg umpire, duties of the third umpire, duties of the scorer, and duties of the captain. Terminologies and all the duties are very important. Next we have fundamental skills of the batsman: batting, on drive, off drive, square cut, leg glance, front foot defense, back foot defense. Like this we can add as a batting fundamental skill. Fielding fundamental skills like close catching, catching in the outfield, slip catches, throwing at stumps at different angles. Bowling, in swing, outswing, yorker, full toss. These are the pace bowling. And spin bowling we have off break, leg break, googly. All these are variations of spin bowling. Wicket keeping fundamental skills: footwork, catching the ball, diving, controlling the ball at the back, stumping, collection of the ball during throw, batting stance, front foot defense, back foot defense. So these are the fundamental skills related cricket. Next we have important personalities and awards. Arjun Award winner. Here many names are there. To you learn any 5 or 6 names. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni. Padam Shri Award, Bishan Singh Bedi, Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar. Saurav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, MS Dhoni, Harbhajan Singh. Dronacharya Award, this award given to the coaches DP Azad, Sunita Sharma, Gurcharan Singh, like this. International personalities related: South Africa, England, West Indies, and you can learn any 5, 5, 6 names related cricket. Then we have Sachin Tendulkar's performance, how many matches he played, runs scored, batting average, everything is mentioned in this table. You can learn from here. Important tournaments and venues, important trophies or tournaments or championship like World Cup, Asia Cup, Triangular Series, Ranji Trophy, Vijay Harare Trophy, Indian Premier League. So total important cups and trophies, you can learn any 5 or 6 names. Important venues, here also many venues are there, 5 names you can learn from important venues. So here, dear students, we have covered our UT syllabus. Thank you very much.